Yep, hit that heel.
Hey guys, I slept really good. It was kind of at a weird angle, but I slept pretty darn good. I feel so much better than I did yesterday. Yesterday I felt, I don't know, just like zombified. I did not feel good yesterday, but luckily I feel better because last night I made plans to do something really awesome today that I am super stoked about. But right now I'm going to make some breakfast to get ready for my day. I have a really big day ahead of me. So yeah, let's make some breakfast. Cheers, guys.
What's up, bro? What's going on, man?
You're probably going to be better off, bud, just because it's tight in here. I just parked over here. Go to the second spot on the parking garage and park up top.
Second spot, like take a right here?
Yep, take a right here. Okay. And then you'll go up to the top.
Okay, cool. All right.
And they said they do rent boots down here.
Awesome. Cool. Okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good stuff, man. Good stuff.
I go to Springs, I'm like, I wonder if you're coming to Glenwood. I'm like, oh, I'll hit him up. Dude, that's so crazy.
Y'all, I didn't even have to do anything. All I did was walk around. I already been walked around downstairs in the living room, dining room area.
Cool. We made it. What's up, guys? Right now I'm hanging out with my buddy Lonnie.
How's it going?
And we're about to do some snowboarding. I'm super stoked.
Me too.
I've never snowboarded a day in my life, so we'll see.
We'll get you up.
We'll get. What's up?
Pretty slick today?
Oh no, it's good. You're gonna love it.
Awesome.
It's not like fucking powder, but
well, no.
It's not ice.
Yeah, that's always good. Okay, means it'll be fast.
Okay. All right.
Which is good and bad.
Good for you, bad for me, maybe.
These are the best way to learn, is to just kind of have you put your foot in it. Just kind of go like that.
Okay.
And then just kind of get used to it. And if you want to kind of slide it around a little.
All right.
Put them in the middle.
And stop.
Huh?
To stop, you're
to
gonna want
stop,
to one of those.
Yep.
It's not that extreme. Or that one.
Yep. I have confidence I can safely get you on and off the lift. I'll let them know when we get up there that we need a slow down, which means they'll put it at half the speed. So that way, if you do end up kind of wiping out or whatever, because your front foot's going to be strapped in, your back foot's going to be loose.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're going to...
Go for this red line, boss.
Yeah, we'll wait till after this chair passes, and then we'll slowly slide out. Yep. Push, push. You got it.
All right, just line up and center you guys can for me.
And then once you feel hit the leg, sit down.
Oh, whoa. Oh my God.
And then just put that foot under. Yep.
Oh my God. That. Dude.
Yeah, it's actually probably better.
This
I
is
set
low-key
you here
terrifying.
so you don't
Yeah.
smack that. Because that can scare people.
Oh, wow. Dude. I did not expect that. Oh boy.
And then the beginner toe will be in between here and there.
Okay.
But it kind of comes, so it's about like this. So you can get some speed.
Yeah, I can see that.
There we go, red light. Okay, we're good. Yep, just relax. You're getting it. Yep. Then back. Okay, yep, keep turning. You're getting it, just relax. Yep. I'm coming to you.
That wasn't bad.
So you're getting it. I told you I could get you to.
Man.
I'm not the best teacher, but I'm not the worst.
Hey, I wouldn't say I'd say you're the best. You're the first teacher I got, and I'm already carving a little bit.
Ooh, there. Okay.
Okay.
You are live.
I'll see how long I can last.
Okay, you got it. Yep, you got it. Good job. Oh, look at half piping already. Take you to the X Games. Yep, and for this, yep. You got it. Yep, you're good. You're good. Over here a little bit. Yep, right in there. Because it's not as scraped off. Yep. Roll to. Good job. You getting her? Hey. Made it further than a lot of people do on their first time out.
Man.
I have faith in Mateo that he is going to make it down this hill with one fall or less. That's my prediction.
That's crazy. I'll give you maximum of like, until we get to the bottom, maximum 6.
Okay. I got to strap in real quick in case you get loose.
You really should have got those hot pink pants from Walmart, dude.
Yeah.
Those look so good going down the mountain.
Sampers, I'd probably do it too. And I will follow you down. Yep, so if you want to go right, just start looking to the right. Yep, you got it. Just relax, Oh, that's only fall 1. You got 5 more to go. If you feel your heel edge grabbing a little, just kind of flatten your board. You got it. Yep, good job. No, that was a good catch. That was a save. Yeah, that one we got to count.
Yeah, that's what's been scaring me the whole time. I'm like, we're going this way, but what about the rest stuff?
It'll catch you.
Okay.
You'll flip over it, but it'll catch you.
All right.
That's his first run ever.
Yeah. Great.
Remember, just keep your knees bent, drop your shoulder a little bit. Yep. Wherever you look is where you're gonna go. So. Yep, hit that heel.
Ah, the ice just got me.
Oh yeah, that'll.
All right, you ready?
I am ready. It's all you. And your bindings are dead center, so you can try and ride it either way. Yep, toe, roll to your heel. Yep. Okay, go around those. Yep. And then see if you can kind of. Yep. And try and get around there. Yep. Yep, good job, good job.
What time are we at?
It's taken us only not even 9 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
I'm cranking
Okay,
her.
yeah, let's get down. Let's go.
Yep. Good. Okay, roll to your toes. If you got it, I'm good.
Time.
Smidge over 10 minutes.
Yes! Dude, heck yeah!
You got the toe edge down good though.
Thanks. Yo, so they're closing. They just brought us a free slice. Cheers.
Because Glenwood Hot Springs is actually the world's largest and the oldest. Like Teddy Roosevelt used to go to Glenwood Hot Springs.
Really?
Here's some really cool historic photos. Hit stop into Hotel Colorado.
Hotel Colorado?
You go at your own pace.
What's up, guys? I just dropped off my rental snow boots. Wow, today was incredible. Shout out to Lonnie again for hitting me up and taking me on this amazing day of snowboarding for the first time ever. Freaking incredible, dude. I found a new favorite hobby, for sure. You proud of me, Bubby? All right, I am at Starbucks right now. I'm gonna go in, see if I can charge my generator so me and Lars can have, you know, our amenities for the night. Our TV and our heated blankets and all that good stuff. Once I'm done with that, we are going to bed. I am exhausted. So yeah, I will see you guys once I get done with that and we figure out where we're gonna stay tonight. Because right now I have no idea. So yeah, see you in a little bit. What's up, guys? I just got to a rest stop for the night, and I'm about to go to bed. I am so beat after snowboarding for hours today. Such a good day. I cannot believe it. Like, I did not expect my day to be this freaking good. But yeah, I did not realize that I was a natural at snowboarding. Lonnie told me that that I did like really well for a first timer, and even one of the guys at the lodge that we got pizza at said that his first time doing that run, he like broke 2 ribs. And yeah, so I felt really cool about that. Snowboarding is fun. That was a great time, and I plan on doing that a lot more. I also got some really good news today, so there's gonna be some great stuff happening in 2025. Just a heads up. But I'm about to go to bed, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It means a lot. Leave a like, leave a comment, all that good stuff helps me and Lars out a ton. But yeah, it's gonna do it for me. I'm about to go to bed and see what the morning brings. So until next time, guys, peace.